So here I have the Toshiba VCR CD player combo, and the problem is when you put in the VHS, it shows that it's loading. There are some lines on the head. Maybe that is to do with the head. Let's just give it a cleaning and see if we can get those white lines off. So this is the inside of the machine. The ribbon will go around this thing here. So what I'm doing is using isopropyl alcohol and just dipping in it with a Q-tip, and then I'm just cleaning this right here. And I'll just clean a couple of these heads as well. And you can also clean the head right here as well. Okay, we'll put the VC. You can see the ribbon cable going there, and on the screen those white lines seem to be gone mostly. If you're still having lines on your VHS tracks, it could be because they are degrading over time, but the heads are clean. If you enjoy repair videos or you want to learn more, you can subscribe.